Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kida. In this episode, we are going to teach you how you can create your DIY Himalayan rock salt cable lamp. So without further ado, let's roll. So first up, you got to have a pink rock salt. You can get it from any Ayurvedic shops, and then you can have to get a red LED. Then you have to get a wash container or something like that where you can keep this. So I have taken a wash container, wash the rock salt so that it's clean. Then while it dries, let's build the circuit as shown in the image. It's pretty easy. It's a parallel LED circuit. So let's build that. Be sure that it's insulated perfectly, and also check the resistance which you're using. I am going to use a mobile charger, so it gives out a 5 volts, so I've used such like that. And as you can see, the circuit is completed. Let's just test it out. So it lights up, so the circuit is correct. Drill a hole inside the rock salt so you can place the LEDs inside that. Also drill a hole on the top of the cap so that you can place the LEDs through that. Now let's place these LEDs inside the rock salt lamp, and yeah, it looks pretty amazing. You have to carefully place them so that the light spreads evenly. Now glue it to the base using a hot glue gun, and yeah, that's it. You're done. Your own DIY rock salt lamp is ready. Hey guys, I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please leave a like, and also I hope that you have started building your own Himalayan rock salt lamp. So if you have any videos, please post it as reply or on our Instagram or our Facebook. You can comment it and also comment your images, anything. So without delay, go build your own Himalayan rock salt lamps. I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please leave a like and also share this with your friends and subscribe to Gadget Kida for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.